Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Sanskriti Sodai
author of.
of Magic and Profanity.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It has felt amazing. This is my second day here actually. I'm loving
Right.
it here.
Right. Have you been here before as a reader?
I have been here and now finally getting here as an author, it's a
Right.
surreal feeling.
It's not something many people get to experience. Right?
Yeah, it's really been good.
Right. So can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
It's a book of my poetry. They're ranging on a lot of themes. Some are on nature, some are on some socio-political issues, love and life. There's a little bit of everything. I guess everyone will find something in there.
Right. So you kind of like took all these aspects and converted them into poetry?
It was a 6 to 7 month long process, and so far I've loved it.
Right. What are some of the challenges you face in writing a book like this?
The biggest one was to choose which ones to publish. I've been writing since a long time,
Right.
and when I finally decided I'd publish them in a book, a lot of the older poems actually got left out as I started
Right.
writing more and more. So
Right.
that was the biggest challenge, that and the title.
But I think that's a better problem to have more content. Yeah, imagine if you had lesser and you had to write more, that would be.
That's for sure, yeah, that's certain.
Right. So, what advice would you give to some of our budding writers who are in our community?
Well, I believe in creating art for art's sake.
Right.
So that would be my one advice, one line advice. Create art that you love and create it because you love creating.
Right. Stay true to yourself and success will find you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Right. Thank you so much. Congratulations on your book.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you have a wonderful book fair.